Hello, my name is Nathalia Perdomo. I am 18 years old and I am currently studying in the public accounting program. The first question is the following. What were you doing last Christmas? Last Christmas, I was spending time with my whole family, sharing board game night, sharing many happy moments, and going to church to have a moment of communication with God. The second question is the following. Do you remember the dish you wrote about in the activity 2? Yes, I remember. It is the typical dish of the region, which is the achiras, and I will explain how to prepare the dish step by step. For that, we must know the ingredients, which are a teaspoon of salt, 100 grams flour, achira, 200 grams of cheese, 20 grams of melted butter, egg yolk. Preparation. The first step is to organize the amount of each of the ingredients. Second step, crush the cheese until it becomes a powder. Third step, place all the ingredients in a bowl. Mix everything until uniform mixture is formed so that a consistent dough is formed. Fourth step, put the mixture in a cool place in the fridge for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 150 degrees Celsius, a temperature of the 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Fifth step, grease a tray well with a cooking oil so that the dough does not stick. Sixth step, put the dough on a surface, but first put a little flour, then the dough. Seventh step, make a long thin roll on the surface where the flour was placed. Proceed to cut pieces 3 centimeters long. You can give it the shape you want. It can be sticks or half moon. Eighth step, place each achira on the separate tray without letting them stick together. Ninth step, place the tray in the oven for 10 minutes. 10 and last step, take the achiras out of the oven and let them rest for 10 minutes so that they dry completely and are crispy. I invite you to visit the Andean region in the department of Huila, where you can find this delicious recipe. It is a very typical dish of the region, loved by all its inhabitants and also by people from the different countries. Thank you.